It's Gage from True Leaf Market. So normally when we think of seeds, the first thing that comes to mind is what the seeds will grow into, but many seeds are actually great for cooking with, as well as the seed powders. So I'm here with my mother-in-law from India. Can you please tell us a bit about these seeds and how you like to use them in your cooking?
Yeah, so let's start with mustard seed. So mustard seeds are like these, they're small, round seeds. Maybe they might be of 1 mm or 2 mm. So generally this is used as a saute. What we do is, when we saute vegetables, we put in oil, and then when the oil is little heated, we let it pop in that heated oil. And when it pops, we put other things like onion and then other seeds, other spices. So we used as a spice. So generally for a family, half a teaspoon we use.
Wow, that's pretty strong.
Yeah, so also how we use it, it is called as, when we plant it, it grows into a leaf which is called sarson, sarson. So that is a leaf which is called in Hindi sarson. It is called sarson in Hindi, Urdu and Punjabi. This, what you see, this, let me take this off, this is cumin seed. Okay, again cumin seeds are used to saute vegetables. So we put oil, then mustard seeds, and then cumin seeds, and then we put onions, whatever we want, ginger, garlic, and then we put the vegetable and whatever, like a curry or vegetable, we use it again in the quantity of 1 or 1.5 teaspoon. We use this in two forms, either in the saute, also we use in curry. What we do is we roast it and then we ground it and we make a powder like this. Caraway. What this is, this thing, I make a powder called garam masala. So that garam masala has, I can take that out. So individually I roasted cloves, cinnamon and cardamom. And then I ground them together. So that generally is garam masala in India. But in this garam masala, what I have added is, I have roasted caraway seeds and I have added that too. So just like this much of this powder can go for 1 kilo of biryani.
Wow, that's a lot.
But it gives
really
a
strong.
Very good aroma. Yes,
Yeah, it's like
very strong.
the main base, right?
Yes, I make this like 1 bottle and it is good for me for a year.
Wow. All right, well, I think that's it.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for taking your time. I know you're busy. You have a PhD in robotics, right? So quite busy. But thanks for taking the time to do this. Thank you.